Here is a simple way to learn chopsticks. Step 1, go ahead and just pinch the chopstick or somewhere around the middle, a little bit above, to where you just are pinching it with your 2 fingers. Now you'll have a hole underneath and just slide the other stick underneath that. Now I'm pinching the top and I'm using my other finger, my middle finger there, to go ahead and just hold the other side. So I have the top pinched, the middle finger is bracing the other side, and of course it's being braced by the inside of my thumb. So once again, pinch the top, slide in the bottom, and then go ahead and use that little middle finger right there. There you go. Now you can go ahead and use the chopsticks to do whatever you need to. It's really simple. If you need to adjust them a little bit more, do that as well. There you go.
So agad ko namang sinubukan para magpakitang gilas. Kumain ako ng tinapay gamit ang chopsticks. O, ayan na. Diba? Perfect! So, di na nga ako nakontento sa tinapay. Humanap na ako ng mani. O, kuha, diba? Magaling na ba ako? So, sana, na-inspire ko rin kayo gumamit ng chopsticks. Practice lang tayo mga Bex, para naman mas gumaling pa tayo. So please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Excursionista Diaries.